Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at using Glisten. Glisten is from ABC Window Cleaning Supply. It's a solution for the professional window cleaner. Glisten is a low foaming product. That's why I love this for my commercial high-rise properties. What I have in front of me today is 4.5 foot by 4.5 foot large plate glass dark tinted windows. These are in the sun right now, so when we apply water to these, they heat up. They're completely warm to the touch, and Glisten allows the water to stay wet longer on the windows, so it allows us to get the windows clean in one wet, one squeegee, rather than having to section these off. Let's take a look at Glisten. I'm hoping you'll be able to notice when I wet the windows, the steam that comes off of these, showing that these are warm windows. When using foaming solutions, it's very common to have to section these windows off into halves, if not quarters, to be able to get the window before it dries up. Glisten allows us to clean even large, heavily tinted windows with one swipe, one wet, one squeegee, saving us time, making it so we can still work in any condition, sunny, windy, whatever the elements are that used to dry your windows out, no longer do that. That's a look at Glisten from ABC Window Cleaning Supply on a high-rise job by a professional window cleaner. Side here, Window Warriors Forum.